Hello everyone! Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. So, let's dive into it. Open the WhatsApp on your mobile device. Go to the chat with the person you suspect may have blocked you. If you are unable to find it, you can search it in the search bar by tapping the search icon on the top right. Look for indicators that you've been blocked. These indicators can include the following. You can't see their last seen timestamp. You can't see their online status. You can't see their profile picture. Your messages to them only show one tick, which means sent, but never two ticks, which means the message is delivered. If you notice any of these signs, it's possible that you've been blocked by that person. And there you have it. With this method, you can check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.